how to reset your WIX site to start over again. So there are three scenarios. The first scenario is if you felt like your website has gone too far, either in the post or the design, and you want to reset it to the previous version. So what you have to do right now is go to your WIX dashboard by clicking right here on the site, and then choose on my dashboard, and then it will take you to your dashboard. And then right here on your dashboard, on the search bar, you want to search for site history, and then you want to click this one, site history. And right here on the site history is all of your changes that you made to your website from the very start to the very recent right here. Because I made this video on the 7th May of 2025. You can also sort the version of your site, either the published one, the saved one, or the started one. The started one is the one that have this star icon right here. And you can just go back all the way from the very start and then click this arrow icon right here to have it preview. And there you go. It's the preview of my first site when the editing is very low. And then to restore it, if you want to reset your site, you can just click on restore and do this to any of the version of your site. And that's it. This way you don't lose anything because you can just click any version that you want to restore. And you can also keep some of the data. For more details, information, I'll leave the link in the comment section so you can check whether one of your data will be gone or not if you do restore your website. And please be aware because there are some cases that people losing the premium plan when they restore the site to the older one, so please be prepared about it. And then the second scenario is you can just create a new account to have a brand new site right here by clicking this one and then create a new account, but you will lose everything and start it over again, including your premium plan if you have it. And then the third scenario is with the same account, you can just create another WIX template, and then to do it, you want to go to your WIX dashboard right here. And then after that, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on this WIX logo, or you can just click on your name beside it, and then click on create a new site right here. Or if you don't find it, you can just click on the logo and then create a new site right here at the top right of your screen. And there you go. And if someday you want to change to your older site again, you can just do the things before that. You go to your WIX dashboard and then click on the WIX logo. And then right here, you can just choose any of the site that you would like to edit and publish. But be aware, with this scenario, you will eventually lose the premium plan if you have it in your older site. For example, I have the premium plan on this one. Then when I made the new site right here, the newest mobile technology right here, all the data including my sales and visitor in this one will not be transferred to my new site template. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.